Greetings, friends! Happy Monday to all of you. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update, where I bring you up to date on all of the latest stimulus news and information. Many state governors have decided to send out stimulus payments to their residents for Christmas. The Internal Revenue Service has confirmed that there will be another check coming out over the last weeks of this year. Please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Could repair and build water systems, which were very much a part of the infrastructure legislation, the bipartisan infrastructure framework. Following that, some of us were together at the Trans-Bay Terminal, where we all came together to salute what was happening in that legislation for transportation in the Bay Area. $5 billion to come right here for transit, whether it's electrification, for transportation, Caltrain, or other aspects. Next, we had a town hall, which was participated by thousands of people from the Bay Area to talk about, with Jared Huffman, what was happening in the legislation to save our planet as we improve the quality of life, created jobs, lowered cost in the legislation. And today, we have our fifth event. This one is a matter of life and death. This one is so important to us, and this one takes place on a day where across America we'll probably add up to about 500 events, including the ones that I mentioned, to come to the community, thank people for their ideas, to share with them opportunities that will be there as we build back better. This is an initiative that is a vision of President Joe Biden. President Biden has said, I want to do everything I can in a bipartisan way to build the infrastructure of our country, but I will not confine.
Now, I know many of you are wondering when a fourth stimulus check will be deposited. Currently, there are several specific U.S. states that are still offering their residents some cash ahead of the holidays. So far, there have been 3 rounds of federal stimulus checks, one in April 2020, another in December of 2020, and the most recent in March 2021. The states that have already passed legislation to provide stimulus checks include Maine, California, Maryland, Michigan, Florida, Georgia, and Tennessee. Now, there are multiple other states and cities that are also working on passing new stimulus relief bills that would include an extra relief check for their residents. According to the Maine Revenue Services, the payment amount will be $285. These relief checks are meant to support Maine residents who worked amid the crisis. You are eligible if you filed a Maine income tax return for 2020 by the deadline of October 31st and was a resident of the state of Maine for a full year. You must have received wages, salaries, tips, or other taxable employee pay for the year and not be claimed as a dependent on another taxpayer's income tax return. However, it's only for people who make below a specific salary threshold as part of the Maryland Relief Act of 2021. Families will receive $500 and individuals will receive $300 if they filed for the Earned Income Tax Credit, which is similar to federal stimulus payments. No application for relief is necessary. Florida will also be distributing stimulus payments this month for first responders and educators who work with students. Teachers and principals are also eligible for payments of up to $1,000. The state of Georgia has implemented a similar policy, providing teachers and principals $1,000 in stimulus cash for their work during the crisis. The state of Tennessee will be doling out $1,000 of hazard pay bonus to full-time teachers and $500 to part-time educators. They should expect to receive their checks before January 1st, 2022. The hazard pay came at the cost of an expected 2% raise that educators has been expecting in a bill that was passed in June. California is sending out another round of Golden State stimulus checks of $1,100 to its residents who earned less than $75,000 in the 2020 tax year. You need to have filed your taxes by October 15, 2021, not be claimed as a dependent, and must be a California resident for more than half of the year 2020. So friends, do you think a fourth stimulus check is necessary for all Americans? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the key word for this video is bobsled. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Also comment below the keyword of each video that you watch, and please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Since this crisis began, thousands of American citizens received stimulus checks to help them survive through this crisis. The Senior Citizens League is supporting efforts in Congress to send an additional $1,400 in support targeted to Social Security recipients. During the current administration, Congress has approved additional stimulus checks of $1,400 for most Americans. Due to the inflation, the Senior Citizens League urges Congress to approve an extra check for the elderly. Rick Delaney, Senior Citizens League chairman, had told Newsweek, "We are midway through December, a busy time of year and an expensive time. If you are anything like me, you keep an eye on your budget. You know what could really help with that budget? A one-time emergency stimulus check for Social Security recipients." Rick Delaney also stated, "Crisis, inflation, job loss. These are realities in all our lives, and this emergency check could be a lifeline to a lot of people." The Senior Citizens League's members have collected tens of thousands of signatures to promote a stimulus check for elderly Americans. Earlier this year, the organization began to hear reports from thousands of seniors who said they were experiencing extreme financial hardship as prices began to trend upward. Many seniors have expressed a feeling of abandonment from the government, telling the Senior Citizens League that our government has forgotten about us. Friends, thank you so very much for joining me here this Monday night. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click and like my videos. And don't forget to comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed week.